and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Splendid Feet, and today's video I'm taking you to the beautiful and colorful coastal town in Spain, Villajoyosa. It's located in the province of Alicante and enchants with a uniquely beautiful old town and the many wonderful beaches. This place is particularly famous for the colorful houses that give the city a very special ambience. Due to their spec location in the heart of the Costa Blanca, this coastal town is a popular spot for excursion. But also a holiday to Villajoyosa is a good choice, especially for those who prefer something a little quieter. In addition, the beaches are absolutely marvelous. And even during the high season, it is much less busy here than in the tourist spot of the Costa Blanca. Once you have enjoyed the blue water and white sand, head to the old town. The village is not very big and you can see it all in less than an hour. The original fishing village is a maze of twisting streets where you can admire part of the medieval castle walls and the pretty church square.
So let's get lost out here, no one else out here, find ourselves out here. We could disappear into this atmosphere.
Visiting in Spain is not complete without having delicious churros. Enjoying some churros in Villajoyosa is one of the delights you can't miss if you're on a holiday with your family and friends. We visited the Valor Chocolate Factory, where they sell their chocolate brands accompanied by some freshly made churros. Villajoyosa's wide central beach is so scenic, beautiful fine golden sands with clusters of shady palms overlooked by the brightly painted facade of traditional townhouses. It could almost be the Caribbean. You'll find zones with sun loungers and umbrellas, and kiddies play area here. The Smart Level Promenade makes a nice stroll and there are plenty of restaurants and cafes. And if you fancy going in Alicante, don't miss to include this on your bucket list. Thank you guys for watching.
Fly away with me. Come and fly